Okay. Now a close means I can close this window. Okay. I don't want to say close because if I am closing, it will be closed. Now accounts again the information about whatever we learned previously in launching pad. It's a similar. Options also a similar if we'll be again going to the option. Okay. I want to only show you if suppose it will be repeated. See home, new, open, account, it's repeated. It's a similar. Okay. That's why I'm showing again and again. Now let's go to the file. I want to delete these things. I'm just selecting these cells and saying a delete. Okay, it will be delete. Now where we was, we completed these things, right? Now you can see always how exactly the layout of your Excel. You can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. It's always indicated your column. See, when I'm clicking A, B, C, D, it will be selected what? Your column only, right? Now, when I am clicking on one, two, three, how they are selected like what? Right or rows. So right now you understand when I'm clicking ABCD, it will be indicated my columns, and when I am selecting 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be always indicated what my rows. Now you can see whenever where I want to try to click, there is a boxes, right? That boxes call cells. Boxes call cell, and each cell have their own address. What is the address? You can see over here, D4. D4 means what? A D is a column. You can see D is a column, and 4 means my row. So each cell having their own address. Okay, and when I want to calculate something, that address will be a help me. Like if suppose I want to say one, like I want to say one and one. Okay, and here I want to calculate that one and one. Let me show you. I am something writing formula. There, if I want to write inside of that, I need to double click and I need to go over here and I can write anywhere whatever I want. Where I want to go, let me show again. Let me delete it all things. Delete. I'm going to over here. Okay. Now double click or else what you wanna do? Click over here and just to go to over here and just write whatever you want. See, and whatever data you have, it will be inside of your cell only. It's not full C. Why it's not C? Because of, let me show you how we can see the full data. Just double click over here. You can see it's right now taking a full space. Okay. Even I can do over here also. If suppose I have the, let me remove these things. Okay. So this is taken a full space. Okay. I'm doing a undo, undo, undo. Let's go. Now we understand ABCD is always indicated what? Your columns. 1, 2, 3 are always indicated your rows. Okay. Now you can see over here what we have a sheet. Sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number seed. I can create a multiple sheets also at a time. See, and each sheet having their own information. Like over here I have the suppose A, B, C, D, whatever I have, this information I have. Okay, in next sheet maybe I have the something different information like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now what exactly even let me go to the second sheet. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 2, and in one sheet I have the A, B, C, D, C, C, A, like that. So how exactly and what is the use of this? Suppose this is my file name is Sky Vision. Inside of Sky Vision we have the different course, right? So maybe the one sheet I have the information about the software engineering student. Second sheet I have the suppose IMS student information, and third sheet maybe I have the IMS MS Office students information. Even the fourth shift, maybe I have the about the record about the fees, right? So this is we can use a sheet also. Now you have the guys in your mind how we can delete these sheets. If suppose I don't want, click that particular sheet, right click over here and just say delete. You can see the sheet will be a deleted. Let me right click and delete it. Let me right click and delete it. See, the sheets are deleted. Okay, let me delete, and this one delete. I want only the one. Okay, now, okay, so even if I want to change name, I can do that. Let me delete this. Deleting. Microsoft Excel will be a permanently deleted. This is, do you want to continue? Yes, it's a deleted. I want a first sheet and I want to change name. See, right click over here. You can see there is an option, rename. I'm going over here and changing name. Suppose I want to write a name Rohit. You can see just I'm changing name as a Rohit. See, right now, Rohit file I have. Now, you have the guys in question, how many columns I have and how many rows I have. See, I'm going to the left hand side. See, how many columns I have. See, there is any end? Huh? No end? Okay. And when I'm going to the down, see how many numbers I have. End? No end? Yes. It's depend upon to version and version. To be honestly, one thing, there is a end of my these things. Okay. Let me show you. Let me show you. You can see how I can handle over here also direct scrolling these things. I'm just scrolling that and let me go to the up and let me delete these things. Okay. Now let me show you how many we have. I'm going to over here. How many rows and columns in my Excel. See, this is official Microsoft account, Microsoft website. I'm going to the official Microsoft account. See, total numbers and rows. See over here. Total numbers of rows and columns on a worksheet. How many? See, like that. Okay. And how many columns width I have? This much. Width means how many columns I can means write inside of that. See, this is the character I can write that. 255 character I can write inside of that. This is not our word. Okay. We cannot write a lot of a word inside in my Excel because it's a totally, it's a small, right? We are using Excel for what purpose? Only a digit. Okay. Let me go back again to the Excel. So there is an end of our Excel because Excel is really large. Okay, so there is an end. Okay, apart from what I left, this one is I left. What? This is all about my layout. Okay, first is normal layout. When I am in normal layout, I can do a edit anything. Okay, but when I am in another mode, this is called a page layout mode. Page layout mode we are using for what purpose? If I want to print. Right now you can see whatever the Excel file I have, this file having a margin means a edge space. How we can see that? See, go over here in page layout. You can see why it's not going. Okay, you can see there is a header part and see there is a footer part also. So apart from what exactly, there is a space. See, when I am going to the print, it will be a lefting this space. So whatever I am adding information inside of that, suppose I am adding something information like over here. Let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like information. Okay, let me copy this, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, I'm done this. Let me save it just using save button. Okay, and I want to print it. See, file and print. You can see there is a space, right? Why it's space? Because of only we have the this one. There is a space.